Let's go to ServiceNow and Cadence Design Systems next. My key point for these two is we're starting to see some real signs of agentic AI spending, having that beginning upturn, that first kind of inflection point. ServiceNow is not in the portfolio, but we've talked about them several times. They beat earnings. The company is rebranding itself as a full stack agentic operating system for enterprise. We see the narratives beginning, Austin, in this. But, I've made the point many times on this podcast. Palantir went up 500% plus. It wasn't because they took their growth rates from 20 to 100%. They went from 20 to 35%, and they were effectively at the front of the narrative about AI growth. I think with Cadence, they also beat earnings. They have bean raised, and they talked about some of the growth happening from their agentic product suite. We're just starting to see these companies. It's not that they're going from 20 to 30% growth. It's 20 to 21. And if they keep accelerating across quarters, that's what produces those really stellar results. So I think looking at Cadence and looking at ServiceNow, it shows kind of that beginning uptrend in the revenue that's going to flow from companies that have really solid additions of kind of agentic software. Cloudflare, this is the one that... go ahead.
Eric, but just before we move on there, I wanted to throw a little bit of context around Snowflake as well. Snowflake has made some meaningful investments in agentic AI. They are in the portfolio. So if you're looking for some early agentic exposure, Snowflake is one that you've already endorsed that we think is well positioned for that narrative shift as well.
Yeah, and one more thing on Snowflake, their primary competitor Databricks is likely headed for an IPO. If what we saw... If there's rabid demand for Figma, it's going to be nothing compared to Databricks, and that's going to have a significant halo effect on Snowflake itself. So that's a big catalyst.
Excellent point.